These are the BWF Para Badminton World Championship medal winners. Wheelchair 1 gold medal Q Zemo. Wheelchair 1 silver medal Kita Nishimura. Wheelchair 1 bronze medal Choi Jungman. Wheelchair 1 bronze medal Mohammad Ikhwan Ramli. Wheelchair 2 gold medal Daiki Kajiwara. Wheelchair 2 silver medal Yu Su Young. Wheelchair 2 bronze medal Kim Jong Jong. Wheelchair 2 bronze medal Zhao Shen. Standing lawyer gold medal Pramod Bhagat. Standing lawyer silver medal Muhammad Al Imran. Standing lawyer bronze medal Kumar Nitesh. Standing lawyer bronze medal Monghon Bunsen. Standing lawyer for gold medal Lucas Mazur. Standing lawyer for silver medal Naveen Sivakumar. Bronze medal standing lawyer for Jeremiah Anna. Standing lawyer for bronze medal Sukant Kadam. Standing upper 5 gold medal Shell Lake Ho. Standing upper 5 silver medal Fang Jianyu. Standing upper 5 bronze medal Ike Tuju. Standing upper 5 bronze medal Tayo Mai. Short stature gold medal Miles Krajewski. Short stature silver medal Nathapong Michai. Short stature bronze medal Jack Shepherd. Short stature bronze medal Krishna Nagar.